To get these meatballs going, we're going to need some ground beef. I'm just using a pound of this grass-fed ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. I'm just going to dump it right here in my mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon of ground onion, 1 teaspoon of ground garlic, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 2 tablespoons of dry basil, 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon, Kraft grated Parmesan cheese. Probably add half of this container. Make sure these meatballs stick together. So I'm adding 2 eggs. These are 2 medium-sized eggs. Add a bit of sea salt, some black pepper. This is just me in my own home. My hands are clean. I wash them. But if you have a glove on, this is what you want to do. You kind of want to squeeze it and just massage your ground beef and just squeeze everything in and kind of just grab it. Just grab it, roll it around, and just make sure everything's really, really good and mixed. Before I turn my heat on, I'm going to form my meatballs. So I'm going to give my pan a good coat of this pan spray. A good coat. And then I'm going to just take my hands, I washed them. You could use kitchen gloves if you like. I'm going to roll my meatballs up. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be the exact same size. Add a bit of sea salt. And pepper. You want to cook these until they're nice and brown. And they're just cooked all the way around. I'm not going to strain the oil out. This is all of the fat that was rendered from the ground beef. And I'm going to use that to our advantage because it's going to just bring some flavor. So right now I'm going to add some tomato paste. Get it mixed up first. I'm going to add this 28-ounce can of organic Great Value crushed tomatoes with basil. Add 1 large clove of fresh diced garlic. Add some fresh basil. This is fresh basil. So this is probably about 1.5 cups. Mix everything together. Bring this to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to put it on simmer and I'm going to let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're done. This is going to be so delicious. The meatballs are done. You could put these meatballs in the sauce over some pasta, or you could put it on a sandwich. It's all up to you. I'm going to top this off with some fresh mozzarella. And that's what you call something really delicious. I hope you try this out, and I'll see you in my next video.